And eto naman po yung sa shop namin, and meron po akong budget na 30,000 per month, and ang naging expense ko po ay 34,700 pesos for the month of August. And naging revenue ko naman po ay 198,400 pesos. And ito naman po yung mga ongoing ads namin: customized bomber jacket, parody design, customized embroidery, CVC, customized, Minion faces, Sesame Street faces, and Harry Potter design, Monster University design, polo shirt customized, plain shirt, Pokemon parody design, famous logo parody design, Formula 1, and famous vintage design. And sa second page, Harry Potter design, Lightning McQueen design, Inside Out 2 design, famous brand parody design, and for the last is Faces Kawaii design.